At King's Ely we offer a structured hockey program where our girls participate in the Michaelmas term and our boys in the Lent term. For our prep school we offer fixtures for years 5 to 8 on a weekly basis. For both our senior boys and girls we offer fixtures on a Saturday and midweek. We also enter competitions such as the IAPS competitions, county competitions, and several of our teams run through to our regional finals. For the independent schools competition we move through right to the knockout stages. We have several players who represent various counties, and we also have players that have gone through to Talent Academy and play National League hockey. At King's Ely we have a variety of coaching staff who are very qualified. We have coaches who have international experience as well as National League. We also offer specialist goalkeeping sessions throughout our training sessions. The three words that can sum up hockey at King's Ely is energy, excellence and teamwork.